Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Run watch and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. And once you wake up the screen, press and hold the crown button to open the settings. Once the settings open, find the option called the display, and once you find it, tap on it. And here we have the brightness option, tap on it, and right here you have 3 levels of brightness. We have low, medium, and high. I'm not sure if you hover over them, does it like show you the preview? No, it doesn't. So you will need to select the one you like and then check if it's appropriate level for you. And now it'll adjust the brightness. So I'm gonna select maybe high. Okay, and then you can press the crown button a couple of times to go back. Not crown button, my bad. It's the lower button to go back to watch face. Okay, and that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.